Do you want to learn how to do this? Running across lava and being seemingly invincible, not getting tagged. Well, here's how to do it. So, firstly, I like to have my hands like this. It just kind of helps me. You can do them like this, I guess, but I like them like this. Arms extended as much as you feasibly can. You're going to want to hit with the bottom of your hands first. And have them extended. Kind of have your fingers pointed like that. And you're at kind of like a 45-degree angle like that. When you put it all together, it should look like this. Oh, so, if you start going sideways, that's fine. You can, use your controller to turn the direction 45 degrees you're turning. So I'm turning that way. So I'm gonna turn 45 degrees that way. And that should fix the problem. Let's see. Okay, still going a little bit that way. So turn a little bit again. Tiny bit. I think that should be good. Yeah, we're good. So, it's that kind of motion that you want to do. You just kind of need to get in a rhythm. You want to keep the same rhythm. You don't want to do like 1, 2, 1, 2. You want it to be rhythmic, kind of like boom, 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 like that, you know? You'll kind of get a feel for the motion once you do it. You want to make sure your hands don't go under, because that'll pull you under the water. Try to keep them light and on top. So like this motion, aiming forward. In that kind of motion, in that kind of rhythm. And as you do it, you know, you'll get more comfortable. And if you do it properly, you will not get tagged when you're running on the lava. And you can just kind of go like that all you want. And you're basically invincible. Like, for example, I can do the run all the way from here, all the way to the other end of the map. And I can hop into an infection to show you that I don't get tagged. There you go. Let's end this round.
Hey guys, I'm all above you. Guys, I'm all above you right now.
Is that so?
Ugh, scared me. Not funny.
Help me, Daddy. You looking like this?
Dude, this lobby glitched. This is broken. The round's glitched. I'm not doing anything. I don't have mods.
The why did the moment you joined, everything's whack.
The round's back to normal. I don't know why you guys think I'm modding. But you can see that I went across there. I was not tagged. And I'm also not modding. But some people don't understand that, I guess. So. Well, I got tagged there because I messed it up. But yeah, that's how to lava run. So, see ya. All of this was done on standalone Oculus Quest 2. No mods. I also included some clips of me just playing around in public lobbies and some funny reactions to the lava running, so enjoy, thanks.
Oh, yeah, I'm an infection. Yes, I know!
It is so very hard. Is there any other tricks you can give me?
Ow! The arm. I'm a real love.
So tame.
Bro, how do you mess this?
bastard.
Bro is gliding on the lava.
Like this.
Your hand inside the water. My hands aren't even going in the water, right? How? You're cheating.
What makes you think I'm cheating?
It's a skill.
Can you show us how to do it?
So close to my doing
Look, here. Come over here. Don't report me for cheating, because I'm not. Just come here and I'll teach you. If you do it fast, it should look like this.
I'm doing it. You get. Does you still? No, you get tagged. Do you still get tagged if you